Yesterday, in Sanatanagar, there is one big hospital opened by CM, our CM, just beside my house only. Telangana, Teams. Earlier, for the big building, Teams like a board will be there. TIMS, just like a NIMS, Teams is there. What is the abbreviation for Teams? TIMS, Telangana Institute of Medical Sciences, Teams. Suddenly, yesterday, I saw there is a difference in there in the name. Dr. Mari Channa Reddy, Teams, like it is there. So Mari Channa Reddy word added. Same way, earlier, our combined Telugu states, one CM was there, named with Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy. He used a wonderful technique, wonderful technique. For any scheme he's going to start, he's always going to keep the name as Rajiv Gandhi or Indira Gandhi. Like, have you observed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Every scheme, he's always going to keep the name as Rajiv Gandhi name, Indira Gandhi name. Okay, that's also one technique. So that do you know the what we call the opposite person is going to give the importance like anything if we are keeping their name. Okay, like Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad Shamshabad Airport name is what is the name?
RJIT.
Rajiv
Rajiv
Gandhi
Gandhi
International Airport
International
only,
Airport.
right? Rajiv Gandhi. Next, Rajiv Arogyasari. Next, Indaramma
Illu.
Indaramma Illu. Okay, houses, Indra, Illu, like. So it's a very common trend the people are following. Okay, like now Bhogapuram Airport, Alluri Sita Ramaraju. Correct, right?
Yes, Nandra.
Alluri Sita Ramaraju
Yes, sir.
International Airport, like Vizag. Alluri Sita Ramaraju International Airport. Okay, like next there was a big fightings are going to be happened. Whenever in the Jagan government role, NTR Health University is there in Vijayawada. Dr. NTR Health University is there. But he changed the name as Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Health University. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Health University. Okay, like then immediately the people fighted like anything. Name change, we should not accept something like the name is that much important. Okay, remember. Next, in the Telangana registrations, BRS government TS07, TS series by default will be there. But the Congress, the other party came into the picture is they are telling TS means the name itself pronouncing as the TRS. Okay, that's why we should not. Let me change as per Telangana, it should be TG. It should be TG like the government changed it. Immediately they changed it to TG. Okay, the people, opposite people are going to tell, oh, Congress, G is there. That's why these people are keeping TG. That's why the people are keeping TG, like to reflect the Congress name. Okay, in the series TG. Okay, like TRS name to reflect that TS. Like remember, in the history also, the people are always going to play the game, the politics, with respect to the name, multiple scenarios. That's why name is that much important for any person. For any person. So don't ignore the name. Identify is a name. Know is a name. Always call by name in the just a normal conversations. So that the opposite person is always going to remember you. I hope is that clear. So whenever you are meeting next new person, even one time meeting also, compulsory the first question you require to ask is,
What is your name?
what is your name? What is your name? Know the name. Okay, he's telling the name. If you know any one or two taglines, better to add to his name. Okay, saying, your name is the hero name, man. Hero name you kept. Or your name is the heroine name. Or otherwise, a famous, one of my best friend name is your name only. One of my faculty name is your name only. Or otherwise, the person with this name is ruling the things. Wow, what a beautiful name you kept. Some way, positively, you can just add something to that name and discuss. Then obviously, you won't forget the name. I told right, the person who provided okay mattress or otherwise cot, what is his name? For me, in my house, the person who provided cards, what is his name?
Parikshit.
Parikshit. You never going to forget. I won't forget. The reason for that is I discussed a story about his name. Correct, right? Next, Sir Hem Shankar Anand. I never going to forget his name because the reason is he explained clearly, sir. This is the intention my father kept like that. So just add one or two experiences or other context, okay, so that you won't forget the names. Compulsory. Next time, whenever you are meeting, call by name. The people are going to feel more comfortable. That thing must be required.